Hey folks, Mobile Geezer back with the LG Velvet, and a very big shout out to LG for sending this over to me for review. And not only did they send me the phone, but they sent me the reviewer's package, which I feel very honored to get, and included an AT&T SIM for me. So let's go take a look. So I had booted up the phone on Friday night Tat Talk because I didn't realize that it came with an AT&T SIM, but Jay Will was watching and he told me the SIM was already in there. So I booted it up and everything was good, but I haven't really used it at all as yet. So let's take a quick look at what comes in the reviewer's package. Very nice packaging. And we've got these cards. I'll just show you those real quick. And we've got this nice booklet that I want to show you. Just go through, and obviously this was done with a touch of class. Very nicely designed. Why Velvet? LG Velvet embodies our philosophy of practical innovation where every aspect of design is centered on the wants and needs of the consumer. Here it gives us the main features, including 5G connectivity, and I realize it's advertising, but it's just well done in my opinion. And here it tells us all about the cameras. Very nicely done. Here it tells us about the cinematic full vision display and the high quality audio. More information on the camera with voice bokeh. Optimized for best-in-class 5G performance. We'll certainly be checking that out. And here it gives us the specs of both the phone and the dual screen case. I just thought that was a very nice presentation. So let's see what else comes in the box. Our charging brick where our USB-C cable. That I believe is our second screen. And since I have the G8X, I already know how to use the second screen, so that's good. And here's my LG G8X. So we'll put the second screen aside for a minute and see what else comes in the box. And this I have no idea what it is. So they've included a special case specifically for disinfecting your phone. That's pretty awesome. So let's move on to the phone. Get it out of the box, show you what that looks like. I've already got it turned on. Pretty nice in that silver color. We'll put it aside and see what else comes in the box. So our usual paperwork and our charging brick and cables. So we have separate charging brick and cables for the screen and for the phone. So there's the phone. Fingerprint sensor seems to work nicely. Feels very tall and thin in your hand. We've got a lot of apps, but I'll be changing the launcher. So looking around the phone, the right side has the power button. Up top, of course, our microphone and our SIM slot. On the left side, our volume up and down, and the button for the Google Assistant, but I believe you can customize it. And on the bottom, yes, we have a headphone jack, USB Type-C in, and our speaker. On the back, a little LG and AT&T branding, and our 4-camera array. So let's pop it into our dual screen case. Get that unpackaged. There's the little connector to get your power when the case is on. It's a very strong magnet. Pop the case on, you have to line up the USB, and then it just pops right in. Same as with the G8X. I assume it's the same as with the LG V60. Close the case, open it, and there's our dual screens. You open up an app, slide it with 3 fingers, and you have it on the dual screen side, and then you can go open another app, and there you have 2 apps running side by side. So I really like the design of the LG Velvet, and I think the case is much nicer than with the G8X, and I know this is a step up from that. And I love always on displays. So I wanted to show you my 3 dual screen devices before I go. G8X on the left, Microsoft Surface Duo in the middle, and the LG Velvet on the right. So I'm sure I'll be learning a lot about dual screen devices in the next month or so. So that's my first look at the LG Velvet. I think I'm really gonna like this phone a lot. Once again, shout out to LG for getting this to me for a review. And as always, comments are welcome. And thanks for watching.
Yeah.